Nokia 6500 slide. Disassembly. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Equip your bit holder with the Torx Plus size 4-bit. Unscrew these 4 screws in the order shown. Discard these screws, do not use them again. Shift open the slider. Carefully insert the tips of the angle tweezers into the recess as shown. Now swing up the tweezers in order to lever out the metal latches. Repeat this procedure on the other side. Gently press both edges together until a gap appears at the end of the K-mate. Avoid press this key while pressing the edges. Unlock the clips at the bottom side. Insert the SS93 at the shown position. Carefully unlock this flex foil connector. Lift up the bottom K-mate support. Disconnect this flex foil connector. Now these assemblies can be separated. Insert the angle tweezers into the recess as shown. Carefully shift the tip of the tweezers outside. Repeat this procedure at the other side of the bottom K-mate. If both clips are released properly, the bottom K-mate can be lifted up. Another procedure for removal of the K-mate, without removing the bottom screws, is shown here. Carefully press at both edges, like shown before. Lift out the bottom K-mate support. Locate the small recesses. Shift the clip of the bottom K-mate outside. Repeat this procedure on the opposite side. Now the bottom K-mate can be removed. Carefully lever up the edges of the bottom flex on both sides. Remove the bottom flex. Keep this adhesive clean if this part should be used again. Remove all adhesive residues from the slide module assembly. Unscrew these screws in the shown order. Discard these screws, do not use them again. Shift open the slider in order to reach the next screws. Unscrew these screws in the shown order. Discard these screws, do not use them again. Slightly open the clips of the slide module assembly. Lift up the slide module assembly. Shift the slider into position shown to reach the maximum recess. Slop the connector through the slider. Open the clips of the top K-mate support on both sides. Lift up the top K-mate support. The top case can be removed now. Carefully lift up the LCD with the SS93. Lift up the whole assembly. Be double careful while lifting out the CMOS camera module. Ease out the earpiece from the shown side. Discard this earpiece. Do not use it again. Bend the top part of the cover. Twist out the glued-in earpiece housing assembly. These parts can be separated if necessary. Gently open the flex connector. Avoid putting pressure to the components. Lift up the glued-in top flex seat beginning at the shown side. Continue at the large connector. If all adhesive parts are released, the top flex seat can be removed easily. Keep this adhesive clean if this part should be used again. Remove any adhesive residues on the opposing part. Open the flex connector of the camera flex module. Now the camera flex module can be removed together with the camera module. Slightly bend the D cover in order to release the clip. Do not touch the components or the spring contact. Now lift up the engine module. Never touch the microphone with a tool or with fingers. Turn the D cover assembly. Let drop out the antenna IHF assembly. Lift up the DC plug. Lift out the flash assembly. Keep this adhesive clean if this part should be used again. The disassembly procedure is now complete.